Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and in this video I will show you how to enable this side key button as a power off button and as a restart button. So now currently what is going on, when you press this button it take you to the Bixby option instead giving you the power off or restart option. I will show you how. So when you press this side key button, so you can see it here. When I press it, it took me to the Bixby option, and which I don't want. I want to use this button as a normal power and restart button option. So I will cancel this one, and now what I will do is I will go to the notification panel. I scroll it down and you can see it over here. When I scroll it down, it is giving you the option of power over here. You can see it over here. So once you click it, okay, so I will click it, this one. Now here it is giving you the power off and restart option in the notification panel. So when you see down down over here, you can see it giving you the side key settings option as well. So to enable this button, I will go into the side key settings option. You can see it over here, the side key settings. I will click on this one. So once I go into the side key settings option, you can see it over here. It is side key menu, and you can see it over here, press and hold wake Bixby or power off menu. So instead of wake Bixby, I will enable the power off menu, guys. So now it is power off menu, and now what I will do, I will go back over here, and then I will try to press this side key button, and I will show you how does it work now. So I will press this button, okay. So when I press it, now you can see it is giving me the power off and restart button option instead of giving me the Bixby option. This is really useful, guys, because some of the people they got confused about this button or power button option. So whenever they try to use it, it show them the Bixby option. So by go into the side key setting, you guys can easily go into your side key button option menu, and then from there you can enable the power off menu. Simply what you have to do, I show you again. So I will go here, and then you can see it over here. This is the power off button over here. I select this one, and once you select, it gives you the power off and restart option, and very below you can see on the same menu it is giving you the side key option as well. So let's see, you can see it over here. The side key settings option are over here. So just select this one, and once you select it, it will take you to the side key menu option. You can see the other option as well, quick launch camera option also it is giving. If you double press it, or you can open the Bixby, open the app, a certain app you can open. If you want to select any app, you can also use this option, and gives you the option which app you actually want to open when you double tap on this button. So but I don't want anything like that. I just use the quick launch camera. When I double tap it and press and hold option, I will go here and I will select the power off menu option, guys. So guys, this is how you can enable your side key as a power off menu option, guys. So this is for today video, and I just want to clarify this method is working in on all new Samsung Galaxy tablets. So you guys can use this method in the other tablets as well. So this is for today video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.